Hello everyone, welcome to Code and Cut. Today we will see how to make this puzzle slide with animation in PowerPoint. So let's begin. Before starting, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel if it is helpful. Start by adding a circle, then duplicate it twice and arrange them like this. Next, add a rectangle over the circles and send it to the back. Adjust the rectangle as shown. Select all the shapes, go to shape format and choose fragment. Delete the extra shapes, then select the remaining two shapes and choose union. Add a curved rectangle like this. Duplicate the shape and adjust it as shown. Select both shapes, go to shape format and choose union. For the other two shapes, select combine. Then select all the shapes and remove the outline. Finally, duplicate the shapes 4 times and arrange them like this. Select each shape one by one and change their colors. Then, select all the shapes, go to shadow and adjust the settings as needed. Add your details. Select all the shapes again and apply the fly in animation. After that, select each animation individually and change its direction. Repeat the same steps for the remaining shapes. Don't forget to like, share and comment whether you liked it or not. Also, check out these two videos. Thank you.